Guys, look at it outside. Oh my gosh. I literally just stepped outside and my foot got soaked. Like, man, there's thunder. Man, it's just crazy. There's Hanny. Just watching a little bit of storm. And there's Haley. And my mama. Ow! Sorry, there's Hanny. You stepped on my big toe. I'm sorry. Cool. It's like... Yeah, and the TV went out. Look, TV went out. Look, it's our TV thing. Yeah. Nice way to start out on Monday. Flash flood warning. Look at it. Look, it's just dripping down the door. Look at it. It's just dripping. It's just dripping down the door. You can check out Hannah's channel too. And tell her what your channel is. HRB123. And tell them about the storm.
This storm is like
it's
awful. Look at this.
And we're under a flash flood warning. Man, my mom said if it keeps raining like this, we'll really be flooded.
We'll be underwater.
Yeah.
We would?
Yeah.
And I can't hold my breath.
I can. I guess we should close the
If
door.
we went out of the house, we could take some swim lessons out of the house.
All right.
My pool will be run over.
It would be,
Pool would be filled up.
and it would be
running
overflowing.
over. Top.
I don't know.
Can you see it?
I think I could see. Oh, this one does. It's getting there. It's getting there. Oh, we got it. Got it back.
I can't see anything.
I could.
No, look.
Ha! Here's where to go.
No, look.
But you can. Guys, it was just some thunder. Like some heavy thunder. Here, come here. Stay on your tiptoes. See out there. Can you see it? Wow. I know, it's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Oh, now we got the TV back.
Hey,
Mason, want a gumball?
can I? Mama?
Yes, we can do some stuff. We do some stuff inside.
You want to try a banana paste?
Yeah.
They're good though.
The rain is starting to slow down.
Yeah, maybe it's going over a little bit.
Yeah.
Have time to soak in instead of settling up.
Just tip down. Yeah, it definitely slowed down. Let's see if it's still wet. Yeah, it's still wet. I guess it's like dripping off the roof. Got the tomatoes. You got the tomatoes.
Actually, I'm gonna get the fruit flies out of them.
Fruit flies in it?
Get a few of them, honey. Wash them off in your hand and
Oh
then
yeah, I see some fruit flies.
put them on a paper towel.
I just ate them.
Put them in a paper towel.
Oh, nice. Got the chippies. Do we have some chippies today?
Put some in your hand
22 hours.
and grab a paper towel.
Oh.
No, said grab a couple in your
Algebra.
That's not how you wash. I don't know how. You take some in your hand, put them over there, rinse them off, and you eat them. Well, first you gotta take. I'll do that. You
on the paper towel.
What's going on here?
And
Do
you
you
get,
mind if we washed all of them on the
well,
Alright.
yeah, because if they're not dried off when they go back in the bowl, they'll rot because they'll be sitting in water. So just put a paper towel,
Alright.
piece of paper towel up on the counter. As you wash some off, take your hand, put them on the paper towel, do some more, and then just bring the paper
Oh
towel.
my gosh,
in
it's
and
dark. We're probably gonna get another big storm. There's some thunder. Can you see stuff? See things?
I found some that were split open. Right now I'm just taking the stems off of the tomatoes. I need to grow it out. The ones that I set right here are the bad ones. That were split open.
Yes, you gotta share.
And it's I think it might have it's sort of dripping off the roof right now. But what I see is it's raining. Water.